Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
This is Roger Chen from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation, Asia Pacific. And Sunny, we are very, very pleased to have you today to talk to us. So would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Professor Chen, for inviting me. My name is Sunny Bedi. I work at Snowflake. I'm the CIO and CDO at Snowflake, Chief Information Officer and Chief Data Officer. I've been with the company for 3 years. And prior to this, I worked at NVIDIA Corporation for 12 years. And I'm a proud USF alumni, both from my days as an undergrad as well as a grad school student.
Discussion topic: how data/digital capability can help companies to grow.
Basically, my first question is based upon your great past experience. You have worked for several high growth transforming companies. So based upon your experience, could you maybe share with us some examples and also your insights on, in those high growth companies, how do these companies' IT digital capabilities transform and change to support the business growth of these companies?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. So I think I would start by, kind of highlighting the first principles around the IT organization, the data organization have to really get close to the customers and the product that we serve the customers. So the IT organization has to get really, really intimate with, what the customers are trying to do, what the problems that the customers are trying to solve, and how does our product help transform that transformation, that journey that the customers are taking. So for example, at Snowflake, I play the role of customer zero, meaning all new technologies that we are trying to roll out with our product and our engineering team. My team has the opportunity to partner with our engineering team, our product management team, and operationalize those technologies, those features internally, and really give them really good feedback about what's working, what needs to be improved, with an intention that when we go to customers with those same products, we are really delighting them with that experience. So customer zero is really, really important aspect for a good IT organization to be really powerful in helping companies grow and scale. And so that's kind of the first thing. The second thing I would highlight is that, whatever we help automate in IT, we want to make sure that it's a very scalable infrastructure that we're building. Mm-hmm. We don't want to develop pocket solutions. We want to basically develop more of a product platform type of an infrastructure that allows you to scale. It allows you to scale in a very graceful manner so that you're not just throwing bodies at it. You're not throwing pocket solutions at it. You're kind of really thinking through the infrastructure that will allow the companies to scale. I mean, as an example, Snowflake in the last 3 years has hired, over 4,500 people.
Wow.
When I joined the company, we had 13 or 1,400 employees. We have over 6,000 employees right now. And imagine we hired all these people in all over the world in COVID times. So how they get all the technology that's needed, all the tools that they're needed, all the applications that they're needed is really critical to making sure that they are really productive right from, the first day they are employed till the first month, first quarter, 6 months, and you're doing everything remotely. So all the infrastructure and selection of applications and tools have to be very thoughtful, that you're not just throwing, pocket solutions at it. You're really thinking about solutions that will scale with the way you want to scale. Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, actually, just to maybe quickly, I do not mean to interrupt you. I think, the first point, are you talking about being the, the early customers of your own technologies before you roll out to a customer. Is that what you mean? Is customer zero? Oh, I see. Okay.
That's correct.
So the second point, obviously, it's great about the scalability. Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah. So any other kind of insights to?
The only other thing that I would add is that I think as companies that are high growth companies, high scaling companies operate in this environment, they really have to be very data driven. They have to be very information driven. And one of the big opportunities that we have for the IT organization, for the digital organizations, is to making sure that data is very inclusive to every single person in the company, every single employee in the company. We're a data cloud platform company. So the standard is even higher for us internally to making sure that we give data to every single department, whether it's finance, marketing, sales, HR, whatever it might be, and making sure that they're really looking at the data from measuring the right stuff to driving the right outcomes. We truly believe that if you measure the right stuff, you can drive the right outcomes for the organization. So in summary, I would highlight those three things. I would say customers and product knowledge is really critical. And that's why being a customer zero for the role that I play is super important, because I'm intimate with the customers, I'm intimate with the product. Second is really developing scalable infrastructure, and then really giving the promise of data and inclusiveness of that data to every organization so that they can drive the right outcomes for the company.
Thank you for watching.